close your eyes. Be very focused and present, and call back all your energy and attention from other times, places, people, or events. Call back all this energy to you right now in present time behind your eyes. Notice your body being very grounded to the earth. Feel that tree trunk extending down from the base of your spine into the earth, helping you be more present in your body. And feel yourself becoming really clear in your mind. And move your awareness up a little bit and back a little bit to the place of observation called the higher mind. You'll know you're there when your thoughts are moving by. You're not thinking them, they're just floating by. And take a moment to watch your thoughts from the day. Any distractions, any worries, any stress. And just see it floating by and floating away. Ask yourself, what is the one energy block that's most important for you to clear today? And let that answer come to you, even if it's a surprise. What's the most important thing for you to clear today? Now, with this idea in mind, feel your body and notice, where is this energy block stored in your body? Might be in a chakra, or your arm, or your leg, somewhere in your head. Where is that energy block in your body right now? And notice, what color is this block? Any color is okay. Trust your guidance. And notice any other details. Is there a texture? Is it hard or soft? Does it feel tight? Or is there pressure? Really feel, what does this energy block feel like in your body? And notice if this energy has any motion. Could be sad or angry or scared. And if this energy block had a voice, what would it tell you right now? What message is this energy block telling you all the time? Breathe. Imagine a rose out in front of you, right in front of that energy block. A big bright rose. And you're going to move that rose into your body right now and start to clear that energy block, like you're gathering it up, dusting out that part of the body and just cleaning out that block. And feel that energy moving. Feel your body releasing and letting go of that block. Now put that rose outside your body, about a meter or a yard in front of you, And notice if there's any other places in your body where there's a similar energy to that block. You don't have to know the details, just give it permission to release right now, out of your body, out of your space, out of your energy, and into that rose. And feel all that energy moving, releasing from you. Now take that rose and you're going to send it off to the edge of the universe. Pop that rose, let it disappear, and release all that energy as it flies away, knowing that none of that energy is coming back to you. Now between your hands, start to build up a ball of energy. Feel that creative energy opening in the top of your head, drawing in positive, creative life force and healing energy through the top of your head, down the back of your neck, down each arm and out the hands. And as you put those hands toward each other, just feel that ball of energy building between the palms till you've got a nice bright ball of energy. You might feel a little tingling or pressure or heat. And let it be very easy until you've got a beautiful ball of energy right between your hands. And now remember that place where you released the energy block. And you're going to take this ball of energy and just press it right into that part of the body. See it moving in and filling up that whole area where you released that energy. And give your body permission to absorb this energy and totally fill up. And feel it moving all the way down into the cells and spreading out till it's all through your physical body, filling you up completely. Now imagine in front of you a movie screen where you can see your future path. And now that this energy block is cleared, what path is available to you right now? See that starting to appear. Let yourself understand how this path is different from before. And it's okay if your mind is creating this path or if your intuition's picking it up. Just let that path appear and trust whatever comes to you. Now move a few steps down that path. Imagine you're walking into that future. What does it feel like? Does it feel good and empowering? Maybe a little stressful? Anything is okay. Feel what would it really be like to live this future for you. Now, let that future go. You're going to rewind back to the beginning and ask for a second path. What's another potential future that's open to you now that you've cleared that energy block? See that second future opening up in that movie screen in front of you. And just let yourself walk down this path. Just trying it out, seeing how does this potential future feel to you. Is it bright? Is it easy? Is it full of abundance? How does it feel to you? Sometimes the future we imagine we want is a little different when we walk down that path. Sometimes it doesn't feel as good as we thought, or sometimes we notice that it's just right. Take a few more steps down that path. Good. Now rewind again. Come back to the start. And let a third possibility open up, a third path for you that's available now that you've cleared your blocks. Feel and understand and know the energy of this third path. And take a few steps down that possible future, feeling what is this third path like for you. Really let yourself be there. Good. Now rewind again and see all three paths in front of you. Let your intuition show you which of these three paths is the perfect path for you right now. You might walk down more than one of them in the future, but which is the next one right in front of you right now? And even if it's not what you expect, trust your guidance that this is the right path for now. And create another big ball of energy between your hands. And as you build that ball of energy between your hands, just imagine a big yes energy going into that ball of energy. This is your yes vote to the universe that you're choosing this path right now. Good. Now send that ball of energy down that path, lighting up that future path. And making it very real, attracting all the people, all the situations. All the resources and finances and health and everything you need for that path to become your real future. Send that yes down that path, lighting up all the synchronicity, and bringing everything to you in perfect timing and ease. And be present again right behind your eyes. Just let those future paths go, knowing that you've done all you need to do for today. You've identified your best block to heal today, you've moved the energy out, you've filled it in with positive new energy, and you've explored 3 potential futures that are open to you now that you healed that energy. And you chose which one was right for you right now and sent light down that path, and all that is going to come back to you in perfect timing. So just let it all go. Be very present behind your eyes. Relaxed, grounded, present in your body. Take a deep breath and open your eyes.